What is up, guys? Welcome to this episode of Old Guy's Garage. We have an awesome episode for you. In this episode, we're going to install a cold air intake on our C5 2003 50th anniversary Corvette. This Corvette has Z06 heads, the 243 heads. It has an ISKI cam stage 2, and it has a dyno tune. So we are putting out around 450 rear horsepower right now. We're going to see if we can get 5 to 10 more by putting this air cleaner on and see how it runs after that. So stay tuned. We've got an awesome episode for you. If you missed the previous episode, we lowered the Vette about 3/4 of an inch, and we put caster wheels under the front so that we're not scraping on the skid plates anymore. So stay tuned. We've got an awesome episode for you guys.
What is up, guys?
Alright guys, so here's the tools we're going to need for the job. We just have a screw gun with a 10mm socket on the end and a pry tool to get off the old air box. And let's go ahead and get this guy installed. I'm curious to find out how much better it drives or runs with that on there. Alright, let's take a peek under the hood. It looks totally stock to look at it, and it's a little dirty right now. We're going to clean it up. But right here, you can see down here, that 243 shows that we have Z06 heads on here. That's the number for the Z06 heads. But to look at it, it looks totally stock, which is cool. So we're going to take this factory air box off and disconnect this right here. We have an electronic component, couple plugs on that side we're going to disconnect, and then we'll pop that out. Alright, so let's disconnect the mass airflow sensor. There we go. And then it has these two little plugs or clips right here. There we go. Okay, that's freed up. Let's do the other side. There we go. See, that's free. All right, so let's disconnect this right here. Okay, that's loose. All right, let's see if we can get this hose off of here. Alright, we're free here, we're free here. There's just a couple clips on the front right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and pry right here a little bit. Alright, it's getting hot out here already. I think we got it freed up. Yep. Now we just have this air hose right here to disconnect. Alright, there she is. Alright, I'm going to show you those grommets, rubber grommets. There's one right there. We're going to take those off, and there's one right there. That's what's holding the air box on the front. And then these two holes right here have a little tab in there, and that's what's holding it on this side. So we'll go back around to the front. Let's take those rubber grommets off. so we don't lose them. And we'll put them back on the factory air cleaner. There's one. That one's on there pretty good. I'm gonna have to get my little pry tool for that. All right, so we're back inside. Got my pry tool. I'm gonna go like this. Could shoot a little WD-40 on it. Probably would make it come off easier. But that would be too easy. We like doing stuff the hard way at Old Guy's Garage. Let's try. See if I can get it. There we go, brute force. All right, let me show you where these go on the airbox. This one was right here. And this one was right here. Hard to do with one hand shooting the camera. There we go, that one's in. Okay, so those are good now. We could have always put this back in if that's ever an issue to pass smog, which I don't think it is in California. But if it is, we'll just put this back in. There's a fitting right here. There, now you can see it. Kind of. Yeah, there we go. It's in the sun now. All right, there's a fitting right there. That's where that hose goes. That hose now goes right there in that hole on the new air cleaner. So let's test fit it. Okay, so after test fitting this, there's no fitting here like there is on this one. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and take this fitting out of this air box and put it right here, angled up, and then the air hose will go right in there. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this off without damaging it. Looks like the grommet's already got a little crack on it, probably because it's been out once before. Okay, we got that out. That wasn't too bad. And we're going to see if we can install this in that. Okay, it's loose. Okay, so we have it upside down. I'm going to try and use my elbow. There we go. Break that loose. So in here is our mass airflow sensor. We're not going to do anything with that. Side with the mass airflow sensor goes right here on the air cleaner. Got a little bit of a fitment problem. Work that out. Alright, so we got the other hose clamp off the other one, off the factory box, and we have to stretch this to fit over. And I may have to take it off of here to get this one on. It's close, but we're not there. The cool thing is it's a hot day, and this rubber's kind of soft. There we go. Alright, so we are putting in the air cleaner. And we're just lining up the two holes and the air intake. There we go. Alright, so now let's tighten that up. Alright, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to give it a little wipe down in here just to get the dust off. And then we'll take it for a ride and see how it feels. Alright guys, let's take it for a ride. Stay tuned. In upcoming episodes we're going to continue more mods on this C5 Corvette. Give her a cold start. Ain't nothing cold about right now, I'll tell you that. AC blowing. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, I'm gonna let her warm up for a minute and we'll take her for a spin. Alright, so we're going for a little cruise. Gonna let her warm up a little bit. Flip the camera around and see. Alrighty. Oh yeah. That'll get it done. Woo wee! Yeah, I would say she's a little quicker. Raise it lower. Oh yeah, look at this truck. That's awesome. I love it. I love it. Look at that. Throwing the American flag down. Yeah, baby. Definitely seems to be getting more air flowing better. We're gonna go one more time around. Alrighty. Oh yeah. That'll get it done. Woo wee! Yeah, I would say she's a little quicker. Finally the AC is working. It's probably about 104 right now. Really appreciate you guys watching the channel. We're really trying to grow it, so if you can, please like and subscribe. Really appreciate your patronage. Wow. Yeah, huge difference. Hey guys, thanks for staying tuned all the way to the end and watching Old Guys Garage. We really appreciate your patronage. If you haven't already, please like the video, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.